Okay, so a very important that I have to realize over here, and that is about the programs and execution. So big idea over here is machines that do work in school. So we were talking about Linux operating systems and low-level debugging. Under that, we did cover a lot of topics. Now we are covering few topics together. So they are going to be the programs and execution as well as the path mastery. So in programs and execution, there is something called the big idea, that is machines that do work in schools, and compile versus interpret programs, binaries. Compile is a photocopier which is ready instantly. Interpreted is more like a teacher explaining every step. Binary is more like the actual machine. Example, press photocopier, copies fast. And if you ask teacher, it could be slower, but they are more flexible in nature. Then there's something called shebangs or shells, that is sh, bash, zh, config files. So shebangs are more like the label saying which teacher runs this. Shells are like different teachers like bash and sh. The config files are more like the written school rules. Example, a paper says handled by math teacher. Everyone knows who must read it. Then you have the environmental variables and path fundamentals. So environmental variables are more like the school rules, like assembly at 9, path is equal to map of where machines are. Example, if the projector room isn't on the map, no one can find it. So these are some of the important points that has to be looked into and has to be, cared more about. Then you have something called the path mastery, that is big ideas, fixing the school map. So path debugging, temporary versus permanent changes. So temporary path is borrowing a key for today. Permanent path is adding the room to the official map. Example, student says projector not found. Admin fixes the map, problems solved. Now next topic I think I need to cover in the another video that I'm gonna make.